Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ वर्ल्ड करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड MCQ जो कि 2018 और 2019 से रिलेटेड का पार्ट 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, Dash to host BRICS 11th Summit 2019. Option A Brazil, Option B India, Option C South Africa, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option A Brazil. Question number 53. Which two countries participated as a guest in BRICS 10th Summit 2018? Option A Turkey, Argentina. Option B UK Turkey. Option C Argentina Germany. Option D none of these. The right answer is Option A Turkey Argentina. Question number 54. BRICS 10th Summit 2018 was held in Option A Brazil, Option B India, Option C South Africa, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option C South Africa. Question number 55. Which country to host SAF, it means South Asian Football Federation Championship 2019? Option A Nepal, Option B India, Option C Pakistan, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option A Nepal. Question number 56. In 2018, which South Asian country Supreme Court has ruled that gay sex is no longer a criminal offence in the country? Option A Bangladesh, Option B India, Option C Nepal, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option B India. Question number 57. Which country to host SAF, it means South Asian Football Federation Championship 2020? Option A Bangladesh, Option B India, Option C Pakistan, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option C Pakistan. Question number 58. Which country hosts first ever meeting of women foreign ministers? Option A Canada, Option B USA, Option C UK, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option A Canada. Question number 59. Which Turkish party won parliamentary elections held on June 24, 2018? Option A HDP, Option B CHP, Option C AK party, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option C AK party. Question number 60. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who secured another 5-year term by winning %% of the votes in the June 24 presidential election? Option A 52.5, Option B 53.5, Option C 54.5, Option D none of these. The right answer is Option A 52.5. Thank you guys. ये थी पार्ट 6 से रिलेटेड वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी राय ज़रूर दें और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब